Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So I want to show you jobs that you can apply for, visa sponsorship jobs that you can apply for from overseas, right? So if you want to come into the country and you need a job, that is going to sponsor your visa, then this is the video for you. So I'm going to be showing you these jobs and take note of where I got these jobs from so you can go there to search for other jobs as well. So these jobs are in different occupations, right? So you can see the one that is for you and apply, right? So I'm just going to be showing you some jobs. So these jobs are just to let you know that you can actually find visa sponsorship jobs in these occupations. I'm going to show you different occupations, right? So you can know these jobs do exist and you can apply for them from overseas, get these job offers and apply for your work visas and then come into the country to live and to work. So you really need to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any vital information. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. So right here, I share information that's going to help you to relocate abroad, whether it's through study, through work, and different other pathways like that. So if you're interested in this kind of information, do subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a video. It's good to just stay updated, if you want to relocate, right? You need to get a lot of information. So by turning on the post notification bell on my channel, every time I share a new video, you get notified, you get a notification, right? So you click the notification and then you get to watch the video. And also give this video a like, as a way of supporting the channel. All I ask for is a like on this video. Thank you so much. And if you want to talk to me, privately, right, you can send me an email so we can arrange to have a one-on-one chat, about your own personal needs. And you can also reach me on Instagram. You can send me a DM on Instagram as well. So these are different ways you can reach me so we can talk about your own personal concerns, for your relocation. All right, so let's get into the video. I'm going to show you these jobs right now. The jobs in this video are all visa sponsorship jobs to the UK. So if you want to move down to the UK on a skilled worker visa, then this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you jobs in different roles that have visa sponsorship and a very good relocation package. So this one here is for a senior mechanical design engineer and it's stated here visa sponsorship. Yeah. So an exciting opportunity has become available with an industry leading building services company for a senior mechanical design engineer based in Northern Ireland. The employing business design, supply and install a wide variety of prefabricated energy solutions locally, nationally, and in Europe. And visa sponsorship is available if it's required. And you watching this video, you need visa sponsorship, yeah? So the duration of this is permanent and it's a 3 years visa sponsorship. So you're going to get a 3 year skilled worker visa. The salary range is 50,000 to 65,000 pounds per annum. That is a very good salary. And the company benefits skilled worker visa sponsorship, assistance with accommodation, 1 month bills covered. So they're offering you 1 month accommodation. Yeah. So it's a good thing because they're going to help you find the accommodation because finding accommodation it's a bit tasking, right? Especially when you're moving to a new country. So they're going to get the accommodation for you and pay for 1 month, right? And then other benefits are industry relevant professional subscription, company sick pay scheme, relocation assistance. So every other things you need for your relocation apart from accommodation like your flight ticket, visa application and all of that, you're going to get assistance for that. And then training and development, annual leave entitlement of 30 days, company pension scheme, length of service award, and the hours of work is 38 hours per week and you'll be working Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then on Fridays 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So the roles and responsibilities, you're going to be reporting to the head of design duties. Duties will include, but not limited to, create mechanical designs, schematic drawings, calculations, and all of that. So you can see the list of roles, responsibilities here, and then the requirements. What are they looking for in the candidates, right? So they need a degree in mechanical engineering or building services or equivalent, yeah, and then a chartered member of CIBSE or equivalent as well. And then essential skills and experience. They need 5 years of relevant experience because this is obviously a senior role. So 5 years of experience seems fair. And then knowledge and experience in designing commercial heating and cooling systems, well versed in British and or European standards, legislation and working practices, excellent communication skills, a strong communicator, keen eye for detail, experience in designing special layouts for mechanical services, able to survey sites and prepare building energy assessments and audits, fluent written and verbal English language skills, yeah. And then desirable skills and experience, well versed in AutoCAD, Revit, and the latest BIM 360 software packages, experience in utilizing IES, HiSopt or similar, ex- previous experience in building thermal to support building decarbonization plans. For applicants outside of the United Kingdom, applying through the skilled worker visa route, additional requirements include proof of English language proficiency, a tuberculosis test for some countries, and a clean immigration history. So to apply for this job, you click here to apply. So you're going to be applying on this website. So let's see another job real quick. I'm going to try to rush through it. So this is a senior structural design engineer. Visa sponsorship is available. For this route, the company will provide visa sponsorship if required, and it's a 3 years visa sponsorship. This job is also in Northern Ireland, and the salary is also 50,000 to 65,000 per annum. And basically, working hours is the same thing: relocation support package, pension scheme, health plan, accommodation support, and all of that. So that's really good. So for role responsibilities, this is it. That's what you'll be doing on the job. And then requirements: a degree in structural or civil engineering or equivalent qualification, chartered engineer status with Institute of Structural Engineers or similar, and then essential skills: 5 years of work experience. That is what they need here. 5 years of experience is also a senior role, so experience is really needed. Okay, so if you're outside of the UK, you need your IELTS, tuberculosis test if your country needs it, and a clean immigration history. Okay, so next up, let's see. Quantity surveyors are also needed with visa sponsorship. Visa sponsorship is available for this position, and this is in London. Salary is 40 to 50,000 pounds per annum, and you're going to be getting all these company benefits also: assistance with visa, company support with accommodation, 30 days annual leave, company health plan, and all. So, this is the role on the job. And then requirements: you need a degree in quantity surveying or a similar subject, and 3 years of experience is what they need here. 3 years of experience. Okay, so for those outside the UK, same info. You need your IELTS, tuberculosis test, and your clean immigration history. So these are requirements for visa, not requirements to get the job. This is for your visa application. So for a skilled worker visa, IELTS is needed if you're from a country that needs it. Okay, so auto electricians required in Northern Ireland. This is another job in Northern Ireland with visa sponsorship. Visa sponsorship is available for successful overseas applicants. So they are really, focused on hiring from overseas. So they said visa sponsorship is available for overseas applicants. There's sometimes they'll say visa sponsorship is available, but for those in the UK. So for the jobs in this video, it's open to overseas applicants, right? Okay, so they're going to offer visa sponsorship, obviously, accommodation support, pension scheme, health plan, life insurance, and 30 days holiday.
Salary here is 12 to 15 pounds per hour, so it is negotiable. And these are the working hours here. They're also going to be paying for overtime. Then duties and responsibilities are what you see here. Requirements, previous experience in a similar role within the engineering industry, confidence in diagnostic skills and all of that. So they need a degree and technical qualification, A level or equivalent in electrical apprenticeship, electrical certification in 18th edition or equivalent. So that is what is needed here. So let's see another one. Vehicle mechanic needed in Essex in the UK, and visa sponsorship is available. As you can see here, visa sponsorship is available. This is in Essex. So this is the salary, and then benefits, 23 days of paid annual leave, performance efficiency bonus scheme, visa sponsorship, and support sourcing accommodation. All right, so this is the working hours, and then this is the role. Then they're looking for 5+ years of experience in a similar role. Formal qualification would be preferred. Dealership experience is preferred. So you just see, what they're looking for, and if you meet this profile, then of course go ahead and apply. You'll be clicking here to apply for the job. So I'm going to drop all these links in the description. So if you're interested in any of these roles, you can go ahead and apply for it immediately.
All right, so I hope you found that valuable. It's always advisable to apply for jobs like as soon as you see them, right? So you're among the first people that applied. So, it doesn't get filled up and then, you miss out on the opportunity. So whenever you see any opportunity, just grab it immediately, all right? So do share this video with others so they can also take advantage of these amazing opportunities as well. And subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie and I will see you in the next one.